Hi there. The following tutorial will cover simple products and how to upload the data to the spreadsheet template for upload to your store. For this example, I've included a product screen grab for a visual reference. Before we go into the spreadsheet content, if you have simple products, you may ignore the highlighted columns in peach and the following spreadsheet tabs here. This tutorial is for simple products only. In other words, one SKU code per product, or with no dimensions like choose from size, color, or capacity. If your products have dimensions, please see the alternative tutorial video in the description. Please note, do not change the order of columns or change the heading content. The product name is the title that will be displayed on the web store. It should be relevantly named so that users can easily identify the product. If you include a brand or model number in the name, this may help your Google search engine optimization rankings. In the image column, this is where the primary product image will be listed. Place the image file name here, including the file extensions. We'd recommend .jpeg or .png file types. The description intro is a shortened text to display on the web storefront before a user clicks through to see the extended product description and product details. This would typically be some key information about the product. The description continued column is an extended product description visible when a user clicks through into the product drill down. You may add HTML styling here to format the text further, as well as in the description intro. Specify the category path here from the highest level to the lowest level. You may separate each category level with a / or pipe symbol. If product is to live in multiple categories, add a line break and insert the new category path below. You may want to define the related product heading to something different like customers who bought this also bought, or similar. You may leave this blank, however, and it defaults to related products. This is how the related products displays on your online store. More than 5 product items will break out into a product slider. To display additional images in your product display, list the image names with the file extension of .jpeg or PNG or similar. To add a YouTube video display to a product, place the video link here. Attach a document for download by placing the URL link here. The documents will need to be hosted online for this function to work. You may also specify a link to an external website and place the URL here. On the next column, this is where you will define the URL's text to display. Heading off to the SKU tab, as before, columns blanked out in peach you may ignore if you have simple products. All product SKU codes to be displayed on the online store need to be listed in this column. This gives us an opportunity to assign a weight to each SKU code. Each SKU code may attract a weight value in kilograms, or smaller, as an example, 0.5 kilograms. This would be used for shipping costing, where each kilogram or gram would attract a cost. In the product ID column, name the product SKU code that is to have this feature displayed upon. Here is where we define the customers who bought this, also bought, or similar. In the related SKU column, you will list the items that you'd like to associate with the product in the product ID column. Product attributes are used to filter products on the storefront for easier navigation for customers. We can set up the different headings over here and then attach a value to each product, and when selected, a specific range of products will display that match the criteria. In the product ID column, choose the product SKU code that needs to attract the filter attributes. The attribute name can be defined to your needs. Typically, one would have a product category of backpacks, and the user would be able to filter by brand, color, capacity, or similar. In the value column, we'll add the value of the name we defined in the previous column. If the attribute name was age, the value might be 6 to 12 years old or similar. Sex might be all, and type might be board game.